Did you know you can grow a full mini fruit garden even if you live in a tiny apartment? And you don't need a big yard or fancy tools? Yep, many fruit trees actually prefer small pots. Some even produce faster when their roots are slightly restricted. Today, we're looking at 15 incredible fruit trees that thrive in small pots. These are easy, productive, and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. 1. Dwarf lemon tree. Lemons are one of the happiest plants in containers. They love sunlight, warm corners, and consistent watering. The dwarf varieties like Meyer lemons stay compact and produce fragrant flowers and juicy fruits all year in many climates. 2. Calamandan orange. A tiny citrus tree that grows fast and stays cute in pots. It gives small sour oranges perfect for drinks and cooking. It also handles indoor conditions surprisingly well. 3. Dwarf fig tree. Figs actually prefer tight roots. This makes them amazing for pots. Brown turkey and Little Miss Figgy are famous for high yields and sweet fruit, even on young trees. 4. Dwarf banana plant. Yes, you can grow bananas in containers. Varieties like Dwarf Cavendish stay short and produce full-size bananas. Just keep the soil moist, not soggy. 5. Guava. Guavas grow fast and are very generous. The dwarf types produce tons of fruit in medium pots and fill your home with tropical fragrance. They love sun and regular feeding. 6. Barbados cherry. This is one of the most vitamin C-rich fruits in the world. The tree stays small, grows well indoors or outdoors, and gives fruit multiple times a year. 7. Dwarf apple tree. Modern dwarf apples are perfect for balconies. They're grafted so the tree stays very small but produces normal-sized apples. Choose self-pollinating varieties for small spaces. 8. Mulberry. Mini mulberries are trending in 2025 because they fruit quickly in pots. Some produce berries within the first year. They're sweet, lightweight, and super fun to harvest. 9. Loquat tree. Loquats have a unique flavor, sweet, tangy, and refreshing. These trees do really well in pots because their roots aren't aggressive. They also produce early in the season. 10. Dwarf avocado tree. If you want homegrown avocados, go for the Wirtz or Little Cato variety. These stay compact and produce creamy fruit. They need bright light and regular watering, but nothing complicated. 11. Passion fruit. Passion fruit vines don't need ground space. They love containers as long as you give them a small support to climb. The purple varieties fruit faster and handle pots better. 12. Pomegranate tree. Pomegranates naturally have shallow roots, which makes them perfect for pots. They tolerate heat, drought, and less than perfect soil. Dwarf varieties even flower nonstop in warm seasons. 13. Dwarf peach tree. Peach trees love containers because they like warm soil. Bonanza peaches are famous for heavy fruiting in patios and balconies. You'll get sweet, juicy peaches without a big garden. 14. Olive tree. Olive trees are slow-growing and handle pots very well. They're tough, drought-tolerant, and give a Mediterranean vibe instantly. Some dwarf olives even fruit indoors with strong sunlight. 15. Kumquat tree. Kumquats are tiny citrus fruits you can eat whole. The trees stay naturally small, smell amazing, and produce loads of fruit. They're one of the easiest indoor citrus plants. If you enjoyed this list, tell me which fruit tree you want to grow first. I'll see you in the next video.